Well, what's going on, everyone? It is Paul, the 920 Trader with 920 Trading and Trading Decoded. Today is Thursday, May 9th, 2024. And folks, we got some crazy things happening today in the market. Now, yesterday we had a historically low volume day. I mean, so the volume yesterday, and I think we talked about this a little bit yesterday in the video. The volume yesterday was I think the third lowest volume day of in the last year. So I think the lowest volume day was, let me see, it was the day after Thanksgiving 2023. The lowest volume day before that was July 3rd of 2023. And then we had yesterday. So again, very, very low volume. And you know what happened today, folks? Low volumes. Today is, I believe it's the lowest volume of all four of those days. So you take the day after Thanksgiving, you take the day before the 4th of July, and then you take yesterday, and you take, so what in the world is going on? Now, the crazy thing, folks, the crazy thing is we've had really good plays, which is crazy. We've had some of the lowest volume, historically low volume days and low volume candles, low volume time periods, but we're getting moves. So again, folks, let's take a look at this real quick. But before we do that, if you like our videos, please go ahead and like and subscribe. Leave us a comment and share it with your friends and neighbors. But here we go. We got $2 worth of movement from pre-market low to pre-market high. We've got pre-market low sitting at 515.85, 515.85. Pre-market high sitting at 517.85. So $2 right out of the gate. We can do that. $2. There's your movie reference for the day, folks. $2. Anyway, so yeah, right out of the gate, you're thinking, well, what are we going to do? So a couple minutes into the day, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes into the day, got the good old death cross to the downside through a specific level right in here, folks. And you want to talk about a quick scalp? This was a quick scalp. That's a 3-minute. Let's change back to the 1 minute and get the right one here, folks. I don't know why I had it on the 3, but there we go. There we go. Quick scalp, death cross to the downside, 920 VWAP, POC right in here, and I guess we're in this trade for about 6 minutes, 7 minutes, somewhere right around in there. But anyway, push to the downside into that stair step. We had a stair step level right down here. Now here's the crazy thing, folks. We got to this level, closed out the trade, and then we started doing really, really fun stuff. We got to this level in here, 517.41, and I said, hey, if we get above this level, I expect this thing to run up because we had this level right here, 517.40, and the POC just moved. We had support, and you know what? Guess who didn't take it? Wow! I didn't take it, but what I did do is I took this back to the downside. A few minutes later, with the expectation again, looking at this level, 518.42. So 518 is a 30-minute zone. It was a zone from yesterday that we rejected out of that zone yesterday and pushed down, had a really, really nice push to the downside. So I took a fishtail play right in here and expected it to get below VWAP and keep on going, and it didn't. I gave it a few minutes to kind of do its thing down here, but ultimately it didn't. It turned into a losing trade. Oh, well, it happens. That's just the break. Now, here's the cool thing about that trade there. That losing trade gave me the confidence to take this thing back to the upside. Now, I missed my entries on this candle right here. So I missed this entry right here when I was closing out this trade. That would have been one of the best times to do it because, again, above that pre-market high in the fishtail. So you got a couple of different levels of support. And closing out the trade right in here again. Probably should have waited to take this back to the upside. But again, I was taking it out of this rejection zone. Took the trade right in here, and I felt like I had a decent trade. Now, we had that cross to the upside right on this candle, and then our first green candle to close was right here at 1028. I'm not taking that candle, folks. I'm not taking a doji to open up a position. I'm just not going to do it. But anyway, 1030 right in here, candle close, take that trade up. Now, again, we got above this level right here. I thought we'd get up to this pivot point right up in here, folks. But it did not. It did not, folks. So took off the trade right in here. Again, nice little win. So at this point, 2 for 3 during the day. But look at this thing just go. And I kind of said to myself, I said self, and I knew it was me because I recognized my voice. We got this breach above this level, so I said, okay, if we can get above this pivot point, why can't we take it up above this next pivot point? We did not. So again, I was in this trade for, I don't know, 6-7 minutes and closed out the trade. Nice little loss. Now at this point, I said, you know what, I'm going to go get some lunch. So I went to lunch right in here. Missed this play to the downside. Again, we got this cross to the downside. And again, missed that trade. Come back from lunch. I came back from lunch right around in here, caught this back to the upside. So we had some really, really nice plays all throughout the day, even on low volume. These candles are so low volume, folks, that it's amazing that it moved at all. But it's just super, super low volume. So double cross to the upside, caught the nice double cross to the upside. At 12.35, caught it up here and took my profit at this level right here. Could I have let it run a little bit longer? Absolutely, positively. But anyway, took the trade off the table up there. Now, back to the downside. We cleared this this pivot point back to the downside, so we got the cross. And I wasn't going to play this thing, but we had a big volume spike. So we had a volume spike, and literally, I think I was in this trade for about 30 seconds, which for me is a very, 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 very short play. You're thinking if we get a close back below that level, I wasn't interested, just take the trade right off the table. I'm not the biggest scalper in the world, but I did take that scalp right in there, folks. There were some other setups during the day. I mean, we had this setup right in here, this breach to the upside, cross breach to the upside, and then it ran up to that 520.07 PP. These are pivot points, folks. These are what are called John Carter pivot points, and they are very, very accurate when you can't find a level. So if you have, let's say I have $2 or $3 between a level, find something. And for me, John Carter pivot points work, and they work very, very well throughout the day. So I came up here, and it hit this level a couple of different times during the day, folks. So there it is. Hit it once, hit it twice, 3 times, 4 times right in here. And into close. So we're getting into close right in here, folks. 350 candle, nice green candle back to the upside, almost directly into that pivot point again, folks. Decent volume. So the volume on that was 279,000, that's an extremely low volume candle for the 350 candle, folks. There's no volume. But again, remember today is over the last 12 months, I think this is going to be the lowest volume day. Maybe that's either the lowest or the second lowest volume day in the last year, folks. That's not good. That's not good. But, even in spite of that, we still had some really, really nice moves today, folks. Really, really nice moves. But that's how we did today. That's how SPY played out today relative to the 920 trading strategy, folks, crossover strategy. So again, if you like our videos, please go ahead and like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notifications. That way you can be notified when we drop new content, which is just about every day and sometimes on the weekend. Also, don't forget to leave us a comment. We always appreciate the comments. And don't forget to share, because sharing is caring. Now, if you're interested in live daily trading, so every single day, folks, from bell to bell, if you're interested in live daily trading, head on over to Trading Decoded. That's our trading Discord. We're there literally every single day, folks, from bell to bell. We're actually there at 9 o'clock Eastern time, so 30 minutes before the bell. So we're there for 7 hours every day with a short break for lunch, 30 minutes or so. But that's what we do if you're interested in that, folks. Now, if you're interested in the 920 crossover strategy, head on over to 920trading.com. All of the information is right there, folks. So that is the update video for the day. We appreciate everybody spending just a little bit of your hard-earned, your precious time with us today. We hope everybody had a great day today, but above all else, we hope you followed your plan, folks. The beauty is in the process. The beauty is in the plan. Do not get so focused on the results. If you take care of the process, the results will take care of themselves. You know what I'm talking about, folks. But again, that's how we did today. Hope everybody has a great rest of the day. And again, thank you for spending some of your time with us. And we will see you in the markets.